Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short addendum, I will cover the example for the bitwise complement operator or the bitwise NOT operator, which, as we mentioned in its operator types addendum, is the tilde symbol or the approximate sign. And to keep this video short for everyone, we will cover an example. Let us say, and of course, if you wish to tackle a bitwise operator, you must use the binary representation of a decimal number, and that will be covered in a different playlist, inshallah. Hopefully I can start this playlist soon, bi'idhnillah. Let us say I wish to discover the complement of the number 3. So this is a bitwise operation, which means that you must know how to convert 3 from decimal format to binary format, then inverse the binary number or obtain the complement of that number, and that will yield a completely different number. This should be -4. I know because I implemented this earlier. So let us see. There, -4, and of course, and this is print line, so there is the empty space here. But of course, inshallah, in the numerical systems playlist, I will explain lengthily how to convert a number from decimal to binary and vice versa or vice versa, and highlight the bitwise operations that we covered in the Java tutorial playlist. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.